All right, this is 2015 Strike 3 Mystery 3-box break 96, 91, 96, 92, and 96, 93. Let's go ahead and screen share everybody in at this time. So we've got Johnny S up top, Anthony L down at the bottom. Let's take our list of names here, copy them, drop it into random, and the rest is up to fate. Good luck, guys. Would it be fate or luck? What would you call it? Skill. Ben J's up top. Mark T, you are down at the bottom. Probability. There you go. That's the correct answer. See? Somebody's paying attention. Letter A up top. Letter UW, the combo spot down at the bottom. Last name, first letter. Here we go. Letter G up top, letter P. Doing it for GP. We're going to drop this into the spreadsheet, match it up. All right, guys, here are your letter assignments right here. There they go. Take a good look at them. All right, guys, 96-91. First one out the gate. Good luck to you. Here we go. Where's my blank card here? All right, so this is 2012 Leaf Pop Century Gem Mint 10 Adam West, the original Batman. Let's check this card out. Holy stoikies, look at that. Look at that. Adam West, Gem Mint 10. That is filthy right there. Letter W, the combo spot. The combo right there. John P. in spot number 12. Nice hit, man. That is awesome. Gem Mint 10. Way to go, man. Congratulations, SD. Nice hit. All right, next up. Next up, 96-92. This is... was it numbered? No, that did not have a number on it. Nope, no numbering other than Gem Mint. All right, here we go, guys. Next one in the break. And it is Bowman's Best, looks like. And is that the Phenom right there? Is that the #1 overall pick in the draft? My goodness. Yes, it is. Sweet signature on that right there. Dansby Swanson. Holy cow, that thing is sharp looking too. Man, oh man, look at that. Corners, edges, everything look fantastic. That is from Bowman's Best Baseball. That is big time right there. Letter S. And Ben J in spot number 14. Nice hit, Ben. The Dansby Swanson right there. Nice hit. First overall pick in the draft. All right, guys, last one in the break. Good luck. 96-93. And this is 2013 Bowman Chrome. Prospect Autos 9.510 on the autograph. Mr. Gregory Polanco. Bowman Chrome right there. Another great hit. Letter P. Letter P right there. Mark T in spot number 19. Spot number 19 right there. Holy stoikies. What a nice hit. The Gregory Polanco for the Pittsburgh Pirates. The Buccos. 9-5 on that. Fantastic right there. Way to go, Mark. Nice hit, my man. Nice hit, buddy. 9-5. Great break right there. Adam West, Dansby Swanson, and Gregory Polanco. A gem mint, a 9-5, and one that definitely needs to get graded right there in that Swanson. All right, guys, that's going to do it for the 3-boxer of the mystery. Let's go ahead and get it over to the tube.